How to wave in Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Waving on Facebook is just like in the real world. If somebody waves at you, they're greeting you. The wave emoji, the yellow hand, is an alternative and fun way of starting a conversation. It means hello, but as a symbol, and it brings more meaning to the chat. If you want to wave on Facebook Messenger, then the first step is to open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, from the chat list, you want to locate the conversation where you want to wave. Now, once you're here, at the bottom of the message box, you want to tap on the emoji icon. Then head over to the emoji section, scroll down, and you want to find the yellow hand emoji that signifies wave. Now, you want to tap on the paper plane icon to send this message. Now that you have sent this message, the other person will also wave back or start the conversation. Now, if you want to unsend this wave, then all you have to do is tap and hold on the emoji, tap on the three dots, now tap on the remove option, now tap on unsend. Once you do that, the wave has been successfully unsent. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.